Debt bondage or bonded labour is defined in the 1956 Supplementary Convention on the Abolition of Slavery, the slave trade and institutions and practices similar to slavery as one of those practices that is a slavery-like practice or condition. What distinguishes it from normal working to pay off a debt is that the value of the labour is not computed towards setting off the amount of the debt. The debt can continue for years, even for generations. It's handed down from parent to child in some situations. And there is no indication of when the debt will be extinguished. Poverty is one of the main drivers of debt bondage, but it would then affect people who are poor, people who are disadvantaged, people who've been discriminated against and marginalized, people from ethnic minorities and other minority groups, indigenous groups, caste-affected groups, women, children. Migrant workers are very vulnerable. They face the prospect, because they're traveling from one destination to another, mainly to seek work. They face the prospect of being trafficked into sexual exploitation or forced labor or another form of labor exploitation. In some instances, they can't directly seek an opportunity in another country, so they use an intermediary or recruitment agent. So before they leave their home country, they're already in debt. When governments accept that the phenomena does exist and that they have obligations under international human rights law to protect citizens, to protect people in their jurisdiction, and to abolish these practices and punish the perpetrators, and they start putting in place legislation that is properly enforced, that results in effective remedies, I think that would address one of the key challenges.